Hey, so you have a bike with Shimano Nexus 7-speed internal geared hubs and your shifter does not work. You cannot go through the gears, it's stuck somewhere. So in this video I'll show you what is the first thing that you'll need to check in order to diagnose the problem.
First, put your bike into first gear. We turn the bike upside down. As you'll see right here, there's a small pin socket. I'll just use a thin hex key and turn this part counterclockwise. This will allow me to release the gear shifter cable. After you take out the cable, what you'll need to measure is from start to the end, the length of your cable should be 10 centimeters. So from the beginning of that part till the bolt is 10 centimeters. If it's not, by using a wrench, you can loosen these bolts and move this pin along the cable. When you're done, in the same way that we took out the cable, we'll just put the cable holder back to its socket. This might take a few trial and errors, but after it goes in, you can just release the pin and you're all set.